Understanding Lost Faith In, an English language guide. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase, lost faith in. This expression is widely used in both formal and informal settings, and understanding it can really enhance your English comprehension and expression. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and some examples to make it crystal clear. Lost faith in is a phrase that implies disappointment or loss of trust in someone or something. When you say you've lost faith in something, it means you no longer believe in its value, reliability, or effectiveness. This loss of confidence can be due to various reasons, such as repeated failures, unmet expectations, or a change in perception. It's important to understand how to incorporate lost faith in into sentences correctly. This phrase can be used in various contexts, from personal relationships to institutions or concepts. Here are some examples. 1. I have lost faith in the justice system after seeing so many unfair trials. 2. She lost faith in her team when they consistently missed deadlines. 3. Many people have lost faith in traditional media due to biased reporting. When using lost faith in, be cautious not to confuse it with similar phrases like lose hope in or lose interest in. While they may sound similar, they convey different emotions and situations. Losing hope is more about despairing that things will improve, while losing interest implies a reduction in attention or care about something. Lost faith in is a powerful phrase that conveys a deep sense of disappointment or distrust. By using it appropriately, you can express complex emotions and opinions in English. I hope this video has been helpful in understanding and using lost faith in. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.